How about these views? Welcome to 14 Ruby Drive in Mount Crested Butte, Colorado. We're located only about a mile to the base area and about 400 paces to put your skis on at the Homeowners Run, ski down to the Gold Link lift. This is a 5-bedroom, 4 full bath home. It's a little under 3,000 square feet. It's got a 2-car garage. It sits on about a half an acre. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go see.